Okay, welcome. You have a domain.com domain or any dot extension domain in Namecheap, and you want to connect that domain with your blogger site, right? It's easy, right? You go to domain list here in this section in Namecheap, right after login, then find your domain and click manage there, right? Click manage and you'll get this section, right? Details. And in this section, don't change anything. Name server, leave it Namecheap basic DNS. Don't change anything. Go to advanced DNS, right? Click that. Now you are seeing here bunch of records, right? In this section, type a record, a record, a record. Now anything you get here initially, delete those by clicking this one, right? And you have to add these records, a record, a record, a record, a record, and in host at the rate, and value, the same value, right? Add these now. Now let's go to blogger, right? Go to blogger. This is your blog. Right now there is no any post. Now go to setting of that blog, right? Go a little down and you'll see here custom domain, right? In blogger, click that and add domain www dot okay test and bjch.com. This is also test domain, right? Click save. Now you are seeing here we have not been able to verify your authority to this domain, right? On your domain registrar's website, locate your domain name system DNS, right? And enter the following two CNAMEs, right? Name www destination gss.google.com, right? So go to advanced DNS and you can see here CNAME record, right? In type add record, right? You can go to add new record and do for a record you can click a record, and for CNAME record you can do CNAME record, right? And CNAME record and place www here and gss.google.com here, and this is automatic, right? One thing is that. Another one is name. You have to add something unique that this blogger gives. This is unique for this domain, right? So copy this one and go to advanced DNS, and in my case that is, you are seeing here this one, right? I added CNAME record, type CNAME record added, right? Add new record, and then this one value, right? In host you will place this one, and in value you will place this one destination, right? This one, copy this one and paste it here, right? And do save all changes, right? And wait for few minutes, right? And after that your this domain gets connected to this blogger site, right? And I was showing you till now I shown you about my woodkey.com domain, right? This is the site woodkey.com, which is in blogger, right? And let's go to the settings of woodkey. Now you are seeing here I am in blogger of woodkey, right? You are seeing your blog address is woodkeynepal.blogspot.com, and here is the custom domain, right? www.woodkey.com. and also do redirect domain, this one to this one, right? Enable this, and HTTPS availability, enable this, right? And after a few minutes or within an hour, your this blogspot site gets connected to your domain, right? This one is for woodkey, and also I have added a subdomain for woodkey via Namecheap, right? Creating a separate blogger account and connecting that to here woodkey.com subdomain, right? I've added bunch of things here, and I'll talk about these all CNAMEs later in next video, and that will help you in creating subdomain, right? So as a summary, you have to add a records, these 4 a records, right? Just add it, and you have to add CNAME record www and gss.google.com, pretty much same for everyone, and the unique CNAME record, this one and this one, this is different for everyone, right? This is different, and I've shown you, you will get their CNAME records, right? And that host and that destination you have to copy and paste, right? So in any confusion, comment below, I will help you. And stay tuned for how to create a subdomain in Blogger, right? From this Namecheap section. Okay, this was it. Thank you very much for watching.